Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 66 Chevy El Camino. Very nice car. Interior's in great shape. Paint's got a great shine. I'm going to show you a few chips and a scratch here and there just from somebody driving it. All the chrome's good on it. You can see the bumpers. They appear to be new or really good, but like this is what I'm talking about, a chip here and there. And that's just from driving it, you know. And I would, good as this car looks and drives, I would drive it too. So most guys don't show you that stuff. I'm right up front with everything. And there's probably a half a dozen touch-up points here. Like I said, look at that shine on that car. Great shine. So there's another little chip here. Interior, bucket seats, console 4-speed. Power disc brakes. Odometer shows 8916. You know, could probably be how many miles are on the restoration. Just I don't know that. That's just a guess. Clock that works in the console. Tack. We'll go through. We're of course got air. So I mean, power steering, power brakes, air. Got aluminum radiator. Tonneau cover. Just a super nice car. You can see just a little flaw in the paint right there. I mean, they did a nice job on the paint. Nice quality paint job. Like I said, got a tonneau cover on it. There's a little, right there, little paint prep issue or whatever. And there's a little bigger scratch right there. And a little bigger, that's the biggest scratch right there. But besides a few scratches and chips here, this is a super nice car. There's an owner's manual. Like I said, the interior, I'd call it a 10. The doors shut great. I mean, this is just a really, really nice car. Above average by all means. So if you're looking for a nice El Camino to drive, it's got a great look with the color, and runs and drives super. So give us a call, 605-695-7391.